In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business multiple cards. A big part of managing multiple company cards smoothly is being able to link your Revolut Business accounts and switch between them without friction. That way, you can move from one business entity to another quickly and work with the right cards, payments, and settings every time. First, know that Revolut lets you link your other business accounts so you can easily switch between them from a single login. This is all about convenience and control. Linking does not merge, mix, or share banking data between accounts. Each business remains completely separate. You're simply creating a secure shortcut to access them from one place. To begin, open Revolut Business and head to Home from the main menu. This is where your account details are accessible regardless of device. If you're on the web, look to the top right corner and click your account name. If you're on mobile, tap your profile in the top left, then tap your account name to open the account options. From there, choose Link Account. You'll be asked to enter the login credentials for the business account you want to link. Use the email and password associated with that account and make sure you're authorized to access it. You may be asked to confirm your identity for security, so keep your authentication method handy. This keeps each organization's data safe while still letting you move between them quickly. Once the link is complete, switching is simple. Click or tap your account name again and select the business account you want to work in. You'll immediately see the dashboard, cards, and transactions that belong to that specific company. It's a good habit to glance at the account name before taking actions like issuing a card or approving a payment, just to ensure you're operating in the right place. There are a couple of important limitations to remember. You can't link a personal Revolut account with a business account. They remain separate for compliance and security reasons, and you can't link or switch between external bank accounts and your Revolut business account through the app. External banks aren't part of this account switching feature. That's all you need to streamline multi-entity card management in Revolut Business. Link the business accounts you're responsible for, switch as needed from your account name, and keep each company's activity clearly separated. It's fast, secure, and designed to help you stay organized as you scale.